Yo AI fam, everyone's panicking. Veo 3 is crazy good, but expensive. Here's how to use it for free. AI lovers are freaking out over Veo 3. It's wild and amazing, but highly expensive. Here's how to use it for free.
Do you know these videos were not even made using Veo 3? Surprisingly, I created them using Canva AI. And that too without any VPN. That's right. You don't actually need Veo 3 to generate high quality videos like Veo 3. With Canva Pro, you get similar result like Veo 3. So, if you are looking for a smart alternative than Canva AI, it is the best solution for this. Sound crazy, right? I thought the same. At first, I couldn't believe that something as powerful as Veo 3 could be available in Canva. So I did what everyone curious would do. I went straight to Google and started searching. To my surprise, Google confirmed that yes, Canva now support Veo 3. Still a bit confused. So I headed over to Canva's official website to double check. I browsed through the latest updates and announcement. And that's when I found an official post dated on June 18th, 2025. It introduced a brand new feature called Create Video Clip. This feature is powered by Google's Veo 3 model and lets you create cinematic quality videos with sound just by typing a prompt. No need for complex tools or editing skills. If you have got Canva Pro, you are ready to create Veo 3 style videos in seconds. Alright, let's get started. But before that, like this video and subscribe the channel if you want more AI hacks like this. So now first go to the ChatGPT and ask it to write a prompt for generating video of a monkey acting like a human, holding a vlog mic, walking through busy street and talking about Canva and AI tools. You can see ChatGPT has generated a prompt. So once you have your prompt ready, copy it and hand over to the Canva's homepage. If you have used Canva before, this will be super easy. On the homepage, look for the Magic Studio or AI Tools section. Now go to that and click on the Create a Video Clip. So this kind of interface you will see. Now paste the prompt which you have got from ChatGPT. Before hitting generate, explore all the features available. You can choose from styles like cinematic, animated, cartoons, vintage, black and white, and many more. For aspect ratio, you can currently get 16:9. As 9:16 is coming soon, maybe in future we will get that. Also, you can set the video duration up to 8 seconds maximum. There are framing options too, like close-up, wide angle, etc. And even lighting styles. Cool, warm, golden lights, and many others. Honestly, features like this are hard to find even in premium video generator tools. But Canva AI gives all them in one place. I entered my prompt and let it process. To save your time, I fast forward the rendering time. And let me tell you, it's impressive. The video got generated really fast and the output looked amazing.
AI lovers are freaking out over Veo 3. It's wild and amazing, but highly expensive. Here's how to use it for free. Yo AI fam, everyone's panicking. Veo 3 is crazy good, but expensive. Here's how to use it for free.
Exactly how I imagined it, and I have seen in Veo 3 videos. All the styles, framing, and effects I had it were perfectly reflected in the final clip. And to be honest, it looked just like something created with Veo 3. That's because Canva AI is actually collaborating with Google's Veo 3. So yes, it's generating cinematic quality videos just like Veo 3 would. Once your video is ready, simply click the save button and download window will pop up. You can easily save the video to your device. Now, an important point. This feature is available only if you have Canva Pro. You might be wondering, wait, don't you need to pay for Pro? Well, here is the secret. I am using Canva Pro completely for free. Curious how? I will explain everything in my next video. So hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss out that. Also, if you want to edit this video you just generated, trim it, add effects or include extra element, you can do it all directly by just going to the Canva editor by clicking this only. It's super simple and intuitive. So that's it for today. If you found the helpful and learned something new, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share it with your friends. And comment me, are you using it or not? I will see you in the next one. Thanks for the watching.